Creating groups in Moodle is relatively easy. All that you'll need to do is scroll to Settings, select Users, and then Groups. You'll now be presented with a few options. Those options include creating a group, auto-creating groups, or importing groups. In this case, we'll start a new group from scratch. Simply select Create Group, give your group a name, give them a description if you'd like, and at this point you'll want to set an enrollment key. The purpose of the enrollment key is so that when new students log in with this initial enrollment key, it'll automatically add them, in this case, to the Moodle new group. I would suggest that you make one of these for each of your classes. You can also add a picture. The purpose of doing this is that you'll see that same picture displayed next to students' names, which can sometimes be beneficial if you're looking at a long thread with users from multiple groups. It'll allow you to more easily identify those users. Once your group is created, you can see that currently there are no members in this group. I can change that again by either giving the new members that enrollment key that was specific to this group, or I can manually select them by selecting the Add Remove Users. And you can see that I have now added 2 more users to the Moodle new group. Just to give you an example of what this will look like in your course, after you've created these groups, you can simply go to any activity that you've created, and you'll now see a drop-down menu at the top, which will allow you to select between the 2 groups. And in doing so, I can see how many attempts have been made on this assignment. If both users had attempted it, I would see 2 attempts have been made on this assignment. Again, the effect this would have is that if you had created one group for each of your class periods, I would see period 1, period 2, period 3, 4, 5, and so forth. And then when it's time to grade, I simply select the period that I'm working with in Progress Book and click on View Attempts, and I can see a list of exactly who has and has not completed this assignment.